Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Ulthapi Buffer Polisher. With 1600 watts powerful motor and pure copper wire, this rotary polisher for car detailing has durable and strong power. Built-in carbon brush structure safety, long service life, will not encounter the orbital polishing machine stop working. Light body, easy replacement of carbon brushes. Heat-resistant copper wire motor allows long working time without burning the machine. Constant power and constant speed function, more stable. 7 variable speed control dial allows you to change the car polisher speed according to different applications and materials. Easily adjust your speed without stopping from 500-3300 RPM. You can use a higher setting on harder materials and lower settings on softer materials. Low speed, 1 to 2, for waxing and buffing. Medium speed 3 to 4 for polishing and cleaning, while high speed, 5 to 7 for removing paint defects and oxidation. Ulthapi Buffer Polisher comes with sandpapers, foam pads for waxing, and wool polishing pads. You can use soft or hard foam pads to finish different applications. This rotary polisher is ideal for polishing, sanding, waxing, sealing glaze, removing swirls, shallow scratches, excess wax oil and defects from vehicles. You can also use it on furniture, ceramic, wood, aluminum, steel, tiles, plastic and more. Our second best car buffer is Seker Mini Cordless Buffer Polisher. Unlike conventional electric buffer polishers, our DA polisher boasts a cordless design enhancing user experience. Weighing just 1 kilogram, including the battery, it eliminates the need for cumbersome wires. You can now polish without the concern of your car snagging a cord, tripping over one, or risking safety with the precarious mix of electricity and water. Our polisher's pure copper, 4-pole motor delivers robust dual-action random orbital with minimal noise. With 6 adjustable speeds, it can cater to diverse needs for effective car detailing and achieve an idle speed of up to 5,000 revolutions per minute. The Seker polisher, powered by a rechargeable 12 volts 2000 mAh lithium battery. Charging is simple and economical. For extended performance, we offer editions with single, 2 or 3 rechargeable batteries. Our polisher features a hook and loop surface for quick pad changes. An elastic band simplifies polishing bonnet application to the pad. The support plate, approximately 6 inches 14.5 centimeters in diameter, provides an optimal working contact area. The random orbital polisher polishes and removes swirls, scratches and imperfections from all painted vehicles, recreating your car's mirror-like shine. It can also be used to sand wood or metal, etc. This car buffer uses random orbit polishing/sanding action to reduce the damage of machine tracks, burn marks, and holograms. Accessories included, ready to use immediately upon receipt. Third in our list is Seker Mini Cordless Buffer Polisher. The advantage of brushless motors is its long service life, longer than other traditional car buffers. No overheating that could cause the car polisher machine to stop working. Built-in 5000 mAh Li-ion battery and powerful brushless motor, unleash the power of efficient polishing with the Zatuto Buffer Polisher. Compared with traditional carbon fiber motors, our brushless rotary buffer polisher ensures higher efficiency, featuring lower power consumption and lighter sound running, below 53 decibels. This 2.5 hours of charging will give you 3 to 6 hours of super powerful work. When the power is low, the polisher will run weakly and the indicator light will flash to remind you to recharge it. Use a 5V/2A power adapter or mobile power supply with the USB Type-C cable we provide. The battery indicator flashes red while it is being charged. Remains solid green when it's fully charged. Note: polisher does not work while in charge. The orbital polisher comes with a packing bag that holds the Gnor random orbital polisher with all accessories for easy storage. It can also protect the orbital buffer from dust to prolong its service life. This cordless car buffer polisher is powered by a lithium battery, avoiding the problem of the cord rubbing against the car or tripping over the cord. It does not need to be connected to the socket for use, and the operation is safer. Weighing only 4.6 pounds, the compact and portable design makes it easy to carry and store. Just plug in the battery and you can use it anywhere. Number 4 in our best car buffer list is Chemical Guys Torx Orbital Polisher. The Torx kit features everything you need to polish paint, remove swirls and scratches, clean and restore clarity to headlights, and more. Fit type universal fit. The Torx is the dual-action polisher of choice for any beginner, hardcore enthusiast, or professional detailer looking for one simple, lightweight, and powerful machine that can do it all. The powerful 700-watt motor, 8mm dual-action orbital throw, and compact design deliver powerful and consistent polishing, paint correction, and cleaning results with minimal fatigue and wear on the user. The Torx features simple and intuitive controls, rugged components, and durable build materials to last for years of dependable detailing use. Easily polished single-stage and clear coat paint finishes, polished metals, glass, and clear optical plastics with the Torx. The Torx kit ships with the entire range of the V-Line series of compounds and polishes. Choose between 3 of the fan-favorite cutting, polishing, and finishing pads for the best result on any paint finish. This car buffers and polishers kit comes with 2 pieces 2000 mAh 26 volts batteries and 1 PC fast charger. You can charge the second battery while using the spare battery. If one of the batteries dies, the other can continue to be used. This means you can have enough time to get your work done, instead of worrying about the cordless car buffer polisher losing power while working. Our last pick is ThinkWork Buffer Polisher. The ThinkWork Variable Speed Polisher Buffer should be able to handle its purpose and duties with ease. The ThinkWork Variable Speed Polisher Buffer is perfect for extra accessories. It is suitable for polishing and has an ergonomic design. Handle: you can choose the way that makes you feel comfortable, safe and provides convenient operation. Kiss cramped hands goodbye. Further, the buffer is suitable and has a comfortable design. The polisher comes with double and it allows for multifunction. Most importantly, the ThinkWork Variable Speed Polisher Buffer includes textile polishing bonnet and synthetic polishing bonnet for the perfect finish. Comes with double handle, you can choose the way that makes you feel comfortable, safe and provides convenient operation. Kiss cramped hands goodbye. The cordless polisher for car detailing is equipped with a powerful motor inside. The speed can be adjusted in 1 to 6 levels, which can generate up to 5,000 RPM with lower noise, comfortable for daily use. Powerful enough for professionals or beginners. High-performance electric car polishers help increase your efficiency. Speed 1 to 2 level for waxing and polishing, level 3 to 4 for polishing and cleaning, level 5 to 6 are used to remove paint defects and oxidation. Compared with traditional car polishers, this 2023 newly upgraded car polisher is more convenient to use, saving you the trouble of dragging, pulling and positioning wires. If you are looking for a fast and cost-effective cordless car buffer polisher, then this is the place for you.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!